Hello, I'm back with another example, and this is going to take little longer time, I guess. This is related to example in drawing because you see the drawing in my on my screen, and I'm going to start straight away with hitting the play button on my journal. So this is the dialogue that this journal has. It creates a note, and that note is actually a symbol. Okay, you might see uh, some different type of dialogue this time, which is very well different from the use and look and feel of a user interface created by Blockstyler. The reason it is different because it is not a Blockstyler dialogue. The dialogue is created using Windows Forms. That's why the difference is there. Now let's start with this. Let's create the user defined symbol. If I use this option, then it loads the default directory, the location of symbol font file, which is located under installation of Siemens NX. You can even go and browse if you wanted to change the location. This font file that I am using is ug-default.sbf. SBF is a file extension for this font file. Now I will go and select the symbol from this list. I will go and let's select the first one itself. This is the first angle, the symbol for first angle. Now I can go and create this. While creating, it is giving me an opportunity to select the position from the cursor. And you can very well notice that this looks like a block styler dialog. So let's pick up this location for placing the symbol for first angle. Now I will hit back button. I have added this symbol. Now what I will do is I will copy existing symbol and let's try to create one more. This time, first it is asking me to select a node to clone. I will select this node and then it is asking for the position. So I will select this position. Okay, so this is how I can easily copy the node. The same can happen for copying this symbol. So let's try copying existing symbol. I will select this symbol and will copy that here. This is how we can either create from the standard symbol list or we can copy from the existing. While we copy existing, we can copy any nodes as well. Okay, so this is how this example works. Now let's try with some other symbol as well. Let's try to put datum, let's say datum 1. I'm not sure what it is exactly. Let's try and see what that symbol is. I will place that here. Yeah, so this is how you can place the datum symbol. This is how it works, and very interactive uh, and user-friendly kind of form that we can very easily use. That's it in this example. Bye bye. Good luck.